Hi, I'm Gary Wilson with Gulf Atlantic Pump and Dredge. Let's take a look at the basic operation of a hydraulic power pack. Let's take a look at connections. On the Gulf Atlantic power unit, the pressure out is always on your right while facing the back of the tank, and it's always a female fitting. Pressure return is on your left and is a male fitting. First, let's demonstrate the proper way to make a connection. It's a common problem in the field where people do not get the couplings fully connected. If you look on this particular coupling, it has a little line and the words connected and an arrow pointing to the line. And what that means is that it's not fully connected and the valve inside is not fully open until the collar here is to the line. Once you have the coupling to the line, it's a good idea to give the wing lock a few taps with a rubber mallet to make sure it's sealed. After all the connections have been made, we now can start the power unit. Before we start the engine, we want to check the ball valve and make sure it's in the open position. Otherwise, hydraulic oil won't get to the pump and it'll burn up. When starting the engine, the first thing you do is to press the tattletale button and hold it in. Press your engine start button. Once the engine is started, hold the button for about 5 seconds and let it off of it, and your engine should remain running. The next step is to turn on the hydraulic pump. To do that, we turn this valve till it stops, tighten it. Then run your throttle up to around 1800 to 2000 RPMs. And when you're operating your pressure, just pumping out on the ground in the air, you may get 300 to 500 PSI. The pressure depends on the weight of the material you're pumping. The maximum operating pressure is 2000 PSI. And to shut the unit down, we'll do all this in reverse. First, we'll run the throttle back in. Then, we'll loosen the valve to turn the hydraulic pump off. And last, we'll push the engine stop button. And some models may have a key, you can just turn the key off.